Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view the digital card on Navy Federal application in 2026. So first of all, you just have to open your Navy Federal application on your phone. Afterwards, simply log in using the username, password and the biometric login. Now, when you are inside, simply tap on the option of cards. Here you are going to see all of the cards that are basically available on your account. So in order to view any of the card details, you just have to tap on it and it is going to show you the card details. In order to view more details about your card, you need to verify your identity using an OTP. So once it is verified, you will be able to basically see your card number, its expiry date and the CVV. You can then use the digital card for the online payments and the subscriptions, and make sure that not to share these details with anyone. Once you are done, simply exit the screen and hide the details for security purposes. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.